Hey friends, this is Atif Opir Val and welcome to the update on Alchemy. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that Alchemy is forming different bullish bias patterns and breaking them out one after another, and this was one of those videos. Now, if you take a look at the live chart, this is by the way a daily time frame, and if you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here you can see that it is forming different bullish bias pattern, falling wedges. Like it broke out this wedge, we had a nice pump, but the pricing got rejected by this long-term resistance of 5 cents. Then we broke out another wedge, and again we got rejected by this 5 cents resistance. And this time we again broke out this wedge and this descending triangle as well, but could not break out this 5 cents resistance. We had a long spike beyond this resistance this time, but could not break it out. In fact, we also could not break out this long-term downtrend line resistance as well that is coming from the month of January 2022. We got rejection here, and almost had another rejection here. By the way, recently here in the month of December 2024, we had another rejection. And now, if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that the price line is down very well from this long-term support of 1.7 cents. That was previously breaking as support here, and again broke as a strong support for the price line of Alchemy. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you my most recent trade signal for Alchemy that I shared a few days ago on 23rd of March 2025 with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start analysis. And first of all, I'm going to begin with my most recent trade signal for Alchemy that I shared a few days ago on 23rd of March 2025 with my members. And that was a bullish butterfly move that Alchemy formed on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was the complete trade setup. A buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and read the sell target zone here. And before that, we got almost 23% pump. And this move I shared in the same month of March, in the previous month of March, on 7th of March 2025. And this was a bullish candle pattern that Alchemy formed on the daily time frame chart with Bitcoin pair. And this was the complete trade setup: buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and read the sell target zone here. And this was almost 23% pump only on this daily time frame chart. So let's start analysis. And first of all, let me show you this daily time frame. And here you can see that recently we broke out this wedge and this descending triangle. And on the daily time frame chart, for a while, the price broke out this long-term downtrend line resistance. But while retesting this resistance as support, the price could not save this level as support. And again, tried to break it out here, but this time it was again flipped into resistance. Therefore, the price got rejected and dropped down. And recently, it is bounced very well from this long-term support of 1.7 cents. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 1.7 cents has been previously breaking as a support here for a few weeks. And before that, had been working as support here and almost as a support here as well. Therefore, this time it is again working as a strong support. And right now, the price line of Alchemy is trying to break out this long-term resistance of this resistance is at 2 cents, by the way. That was previously working as support here for a few weeks, and before that was working as support here. And before that, almost as a resistance here as well. Therefore, now it is again acting as a resistance, and we are trying to break it out. And in case of breaking it out, I'm expecting that soon it can also hit this long-term downtrend line resistance as well that is coming from the month of January 2023. We got rejection here, rejection here, almost had another rejection here as well. And this time it can again work as a strong resistance. Along with that, the price line of Alchemy can also hit this long-term resistance of 3.25 cents as well. That was recently working as a resistance here for a few weeks and resistance here as well. Now, if you take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this previous falling wedge pattern, you can see that here we have already broken out this huge wedge. And after that, we had a nice parabolic bull run, but so far the price could not hit that target for the breakout from this wedge. And that long-term target is, by the way, here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 10 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.